This one's a bit of a bonus. Wasn't planning on getting one of these.
I thought you were going to want the other one.
Well, I did. But, whatever. I haven't been on one of these yet, so
Better safe
it's
than
okay.
sorry.
Yes, definitely. It's already getting it close. See, there's no... I wouldn't wait for Caltrain.
Yeah.
No, I bought a ticket.
Oh, you got a day pass?
Yeah. Huh?
Oh, you got a day pass?
Yeah.
Okay. So all you gotta do basically is just run up to the...
Oh, yeah. Run up and get on.
Just gotta run it.
Yeah.
Hopefully you won't have to run.
Hopefully.
I don't think it's going to take close to 10 minutes. I think another 5 minutes
We'll see.
should be there. The traffic's not bad at this time.
No.
Yeah, because we're already at Howard. And Anthony just finished, so we can take 30 back. Or 45, whichever comes first.
Ask him where he wants to meet us.
Huh?
Can you ask him where he wants to meet us if he
Yeah,
wants
he
to come
said
to
see you
us?
back at Spur, so I'm assuming he wants to meet up at Spur.
We gotta let him know we won't be there for like 20 minutes.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I already told him that would take. San Francisco's newest rescue truck.
Sorry if
That was perfect. We missed each other.
we got a pretty good show.
Thanks.
Man, look how close this got.
We're not.
Like the loss.
The motors on these are so much quieter than the Skodas. But then the brakes are extremely loud for some reason.
I can't hear the brakes.
It's when they let off the brakes.
Flying. Turn. Exit to get off the freeway. If I recall correctly, we're almost to Townsend.
Wow. This is the freeway, so it's like 2-3 more blocks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's 52. I am gonna miss the seats that the new cars used to have here.
Oh, yeah.
Those were fun.
Yeah.
VTA has seats like this on the New Flyer D60s.
Yeah.
On I think only the D60s.
Yeah, I think so.
Xcelsiors.
The 4300s. The ones used on the 522.
Oh, that's not.
Not the D60s.
Right. No.
22.
Yeah.
Those two, but the ones on the 522 don't.
Okay. So they don't.
No.
Yeah, I don't think New Flyer offers them anymore. I don't think New Flyer offers them like that anymore.
No. Brandon now. Nice to see it.
Yeah. Well,
Just past that Academy of Art class back there.
oh, really?
Yeah, it was the Gillig Advantage.
just stay in the back.
That's true.
Not sure if I want to though.
Yeah.
The back is the quietest.
It is, but I don't mind the sound. But it would be kind of nice if I get the rearmost seat, you know, where you have a window facing backwards. Since it's a cabin car.
All right, boys.
Okay. Now let's let Kyle grab his train and then we'll feed Anthony.
Yeah, I got a few minutes.
5 minutes.
Here we go. Alright, Kyle, I'll let you have
Yep.
your train.